Good morning, student. It's me, Sakina ma'am. Now I'm going to explain you the chapter 5 that is given the disease and prevention. In previous class, I'm explaining the communicable disease. Now today I am going to explain you how the communicable disease are spread. That is spread of the communicable disease. There is the different kind of disease. They are spreading by the communicable disease can be passed in many ways. Some ways I will discuss here today. Firstly, through the direct contact. Many diseases like common cold, measles, chicken pox, whooping cough, ringing, and scarlet fever are spreading by the direct contact with the sick people. When we are using their clothes, their articles, their handkerchiefs, using, and sometimes we are shaking with them. Like these diseases are passing through the direct way. Indirect way, the next is through the infected food. We are eating many things, uncovered things in outside, like golgappe, sweets. They are covered but not properly covered. Then disease like the cholera, typhoid, these kind of disease infected with the food and water carrying by the germs. These diseases are mostly affected the digestive system, and flies, cockroach, rat, and other small animals carry the germs from the garbage and many different ways, and which we are eating from the open things